Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix touchscreen not responding on your HONOR Magic8 Lite. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and remove the screen protector or a case because it can cause the interference, and let me explain why. Basically, whenever you have a case on your phone, I do not, but if you do have a case and it's going to the screen, if it's touching the screen, then what can happen is your screen won't be usable. So now, this is for an example, a case blocking my screen. Now, I did that because I was holding the finger, but as you guys can see, normally you wouldn't do anything. So what you guys want to do next is, if you have a screen protector and it's not applied perfectly, so this one is, but if yours is, let's say, going off the edges to the phone, so let's say it's right here instead of the screen, then it can already cause the touch irresponsiveness, so it will be very much less responsive, and we do not want it. Now what we want to do next is we want to restart our phone, but first what we want to do is we want to clean our screen. So let's grab a microfiber cloth. This way we get rid of any moisture, debris, and what's the most important thing is the fingerprints. So there's no fingerprints on the phone now, and now we can restart it. So let's hold the power button and the volume up button. Now let's hold the power button and the volume down button for 10 seconds. Ignore the screenshot here. Just keep on holding. And now our screen went black. I've got the vibration. I can let go now after I see the logo. And now our phone is restarted. So I'll see you guys in a second once it loads up. Now after the restart, what you guys want to do is simply check for software updates. So this is as a last resort. Let's go over to settings and scroll down until you guys see system and updates. Now you need Wi-Fi connection for it, so make sure that you're connected. And my software is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys checking out how to install it. So you will have a button right here and the place of a button where it says check for updates. So you will just click here and you will download and install the newest version of MagicOS. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.